Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Tom and I'm David. We're really happy you're here with us today. Today's topic is super useful, how to talk about health. Yes, health is something we talk about in daily life, with friends, with family, with doctors. So these simple English phrases will really help you. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. We share easy English lessons every single day. All right, let's start. Take a deep breath and let's learn together. Main chat part 1, basic health phrases. Phrase 1, I don't feel well. Okay, our first phrase is, I don't feel well. It's easy and it's very common. Yes, you can use it when your body feels tired or sick. Example, I don't feel well today. Or I don't feel well after lunch. Let's say it together slowly. I don't feel well. Good job, nice and clear. This phrase is perfect for beginners. Phrase 2, I have a headache. Next phrase, I have a headache. A headache means pain in your head. Example, I have a headache. I need water. Or I have a headache. I want to rest. Let's repeat. I have a headache. Great. You're doing really well. Phrase 3, I have a cold. Here's another easy one. I have a cold. It means your nose is blocked. Maybe you sneeze. Maybe you feel tired. Example, I have a cold. I want hot tea. Or I have a cold, so I'm staying home. Repeat after us. I have a cold. Phrase 4, I need rest. Another very useful phrase, I need rest. Simple English, very natural. Example, I need rest. I work too much. Or I need rest. My body is tired. Let's say it, I need rest. Nice, you sound great. Main chat part 2, simple health questions. Phrase 5, how are you feeling? Okay, now some questions. First one, how are you feeling? This is a very friendly question. You can ask a friend, a child, anyone. Example, how are you feeling today? Or how are you feeling now? Let's repeat, how are you feeling? Example, David, how are you feeling today? I'm feeling good, Tom. I slept well. Nice, that's a natural, real-life conversation. Phrase 6, do you need help? Next question, do you need help? Very simple, very kind, very human. Example, do you need help getting medicine? Or do you need help cooking? Repeat, do you need help? 7, are you okay? Here's another one, are you okay? Short and easy. You can use it when someone looks tired or sad. Example, are you okay? You look pale. Or, are you okay? You seem tired. Say it with us, are you okay? Main chat part 3, healthy habits. Phrase 8, I drink a lot of water. Now let's talk about healthy habits. Phrase, I drink a lot of water. Great daily phrase. Example, I drink a lot of water to stay healthy. Repeat, I drink a lot of water. Phrase 9, I sleep early. Another habit, I sleep early. Example, I sleep early to feel fresh in the morning. Let's repeat, I sleep early. Phrase 10, I eat healthy food. Next phrase, I eat healthy food. Example, I eat healthy food like fruits and vegetables. Say it, I eat healthy food. More real-life dialogue, daily conversation. David, what do you do when you don't feel well? I drink warm water and I rest. That's good. I eat soup when I don't feel well. That sounds nice. Tomato soup is my favorite. I don't feel well. Repeat it. I have a headache. Say it with me. I drink a lot of water. Nice. You're improving already. Main chat, part visiting a doctor. Phrase 11, I need a doctor. Sometimes you need to say, I need a doctor. Example, I need a doctor. My throat hurts. Let's repeat, I need a doctor. Phrase 12, my stomach hurts. Another body phrase, my stomach hurts. Example, my stomach hurts. I ate too fast. Repeat, my stomach hurt dialogue. What's the problem? Okay, my stomach hurts. Okay, you need rest and water. Thank you, doctor. Simple, natural, real. Main chat, part 6, self-care encouragement. Health is not only sickness, it's also taking care of yourself. Yes, good sleep, good food, good water, good rest. Small habits make a big change. And your English practice today is a great habit too. Good job for staying with us. Okay, friends, let's review the key phrases from today. Repeat after us. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a cold. I need rest. How are you feeling? Do you need help? Are you okay? I drink a lot of water. I eat healthy food. My stomach hurts. I need a doctor. Great work. You're doing amazing. Before we go, here's our fun community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers. Thank you for learning with us today. Stay healthy. Keep practicing English. See you next time.